In this video, I'll show you how to change your Mac system language. This action will change the overall language of your Mac's operating system. For recent versions of macOS, start by opening your system settings. Then, go to the General section, scroll down a bit, and find the Language and Region option. Right at the top, under the Preferred Languages section, you'll see the languages you've currently added to your Mac. To add a new language, just click the plus icon at the bottom. Select the language you want to add, and then click Add. Next, click Use to confirm and apply that language. Now, depending on the language, you might need a different keyboard layout. For example, if your new language requires special accents, you'll need to select the appropriate input source for it. Once you've chosen your keyboard layout, click Add, and then click the Restart Now button to reboot your Mac. After your computer restarts, you'll see that your Mac's system language has successfully been updated. Keep in mind that this changes about 99% of your Mac's system language. A few critical system prompts might still appear in the original default language, but for everyday users, this isn't a big deal. Almost everything you interact with will be completely updated to the new language you specified. If you ever want to switch back to your original language, just open these language settings again like we did in the previous step. Select your language, drag it to the very top of the list, and restart your Mac one more time to apply the changes.